Good morning. Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. Today, I would like to talk about the road to UC computer science. And I'm going to talk about the major selection, how to select a major. Today's main topic is the new UC Berkeley electrical and computer engineering major. We would like to talk about what is this new major and how is its impact to the application of the computer science. So first, let's talk about this major. This is a electrical and computer engineering major. We usually say that it is double E major. Okay, this double E major actually is a new major set up by UC Berkeley, and I would say that is a stripped down version of the ECS from the UC Berkeley. So I think the purpose of this new major is to recruit more new students. And actually, the differences between the ECS and ECE is actually very minor. But today, we would like to talk about the main differences of these two major and the possible implication. First, let's look at the kind of graduation requirement by this major. This is set up by the university and the College of Engineering and also the department. So first, there is a campus requirement. You need to satisfy the entry-level writing, American history, American institute, and American culture. Entry-level writing can be satisfied SAT 680 and above, or AP Len or AP English score of 4 or 5. So can be taken out. And then AP US history can also be taken up by US history 4 or 5, and AP Institute can be taken up by AP US history or AP government. Okay, this actually, okay, AP American culture, this one may need to take an extra course. Maybe you have to check, and maybe you can actually satisfy it by the AP score. I think that this one, maybe you need to take an extra course. So one course at Berkeley may be needed. And then let's look at the general education. The general education for the humanity and social study, you have a writing A and B course. A course you can satisfy by AP literature and the language by 4 or 5. So you have to check the score, okay? And then B part, I think you need to take it. So this one is a course that you need to take it at Berkeley, writing B. Freshman writing B. And then lower division humanity courses. Lower division humanity courses, these can be satisfied by AP Chinese, AP Spanish, AP French, or AP Euro, AP World. So these two can be taken up by AP credit. And then upper division 100 and plus humanity and social study courses. These two you have to take it in Berkeley. So you probably have this humanity 1, 2, and American culture 3 courses that you need to take at Berkeley for the general education. And you also need to take a ASIC course. Usually you take a CS 195. This one course can satisfy it. So right here, right 4 to 5 courses that you need to take for the humanity and the writing courses. Okay, next one, let's go back to the major courses. The major courses that you need to take the math course for math 51, 52, 53, 54. 55 is discrete math. So usually it's the 50 series of the math you need to satisfy. 51, 2, you can use math 1A and 1B to satisfy, or AP calculus BC to satisfy. So these two can be taken up. Okay, can be taken up by AP credit, no problem. 53 is multi-variable. It's original course that need to be required by the engineering school. So multi-variable calculus course. And this one is not new, so it's okay. It's the same as ECS. 54, this one is the extra math requirement for linear algebra and differential equations. This one, usually we also strongly recommend you to take it. So this one, no problem. And the probability course, you can take the CS 70, just like the computer science major student, or you can take the math 55. and we usually still recommend to take the 70 because including the decreased mass and also probability. You can also take the statistics 134 to certify it, but not strongly recommended. Okay, this part is for the math courses. Natural sciences courses, you have physics and one elective course. Physics 7A, you can take it by AP Physics C and mechanics. So this one can be taken up by AP credit. 7B, electrical and magnetic wave. This one you cannot take it by the AP course. You have to take it at the Berkeley. So this one is a required course. And then the elective course, you can satisfy it by taking AP chemistry or AP biology. So this can be taken out by AP credit. Okay, so overall math and natural science courses, you probably need to take the 53, 54, and also the 7B, these are required. And then 3 course at minimum, okay. And I'm sorry, 4 course minimum, and also the CS 70. Okay, these are the 4 course minimum. And then if you not take out by AP, you will have 1A, 1B, or 51, 52, or AP chemistry, or a chemistry or bio course required. Okay, these are the course requirement for the math and physics. Now, next one is the engineering course. An engineering basic requirement course. This one you require ECS 16AB and the 61 AB AC. B drop, okay, B course drop. Otherwise, it's the same as the lower division of the ECS. Just the B being dropped now. But B is not actually dropped. It's actually moved to the pick pick 3 from 8 course. Okay, pick 3 from 8 course. So B originally is a required course, now become a 3 in 8 course. Okay, let's talk about a 3 in 8 course. So 3 in 8 course is that you take 3 courses from 8 different track. Okay. And 61B is originally required course by CS or ECS, now become 3 in 8 course. And this 3 in 8 course is a double E requirement by National Taiwan University's double E department. Every student in NTU double E will be required to take this 3 in 8 course. So basically, this is a EE major to have this feature that's actually no wonder. Okay, it's the same as any international university that has the EE major. So this is a good track. Okay, but here, if you want to take it as close as to EECS, we will actually recommend you to take the 61B as well. That one will satisfy your requirement for the ECS, and also this one, the signal and system, and also 106 robotics. These are the requirement. Actually, if you want to take it as close to ESS as possible, okay. And then, of course, if you prefer to go to the EE majors, then this different track for microwave track, power check, or electronic check, or circuit check, you can go to the different check. So this is the typical 3 in 8 courses. Next one is the ECS elective course. Originally, ECS is pick 5, or you can eat any course in ECS, you can all take it. Right here, you cannot take all the courses in ECS, but you have limited the elective in ECS and CS. So here you have CS core 4 courses. I recommend you take this one if you really want to go to ECS. This is 4 course ECS course, and this 4 course will satisfy the application of MSCS for the Stanford University. So this one, if they keep you the the possibility to still go to MSCS for Stanford if you want to pick these four limited all you can eat courses by these four courses. Okay. We usually suggest this, and also 133 network. Okay. And 133 is not in this limited all you can eat. You still can take it by the free elective, but not right here. Okay. This is required 4 courses limited all you can eat. You may also want to take a 106B or at least 149 embedded system to be able to program the robotics. Okay, this if you go for EECS check. So let's look at how the 4-year courses. First year you take a 61 AC, okay, the same as EECS student. And then these different courses right here, the math requirement for 1A, 1B, or 51, 52, calculus 1, 2, these two can be certified AP credit. 7A mechanics can be certified by AP credit. Reading, writing, A, you can certify AP Len or AP Lit. Writing, this one you have to take it by Berkeley, so this is a Berkeley course. Okay, overall, you need to take this, and these are required. Science elective, you can certify AP chemistry. So this one, so only 3 courses must take from Berkeley. Second year, you have the requirement of the engineering of the 53. This is required 54, and 89. We recommend 54. This is required. 7B required. Probability, you have to take 70, CS 70 or math 55 is required. AC course, CS 195 required. Free elective, up to you, okay, up to you. Humanity course, this one is a humanity upper division. If you have lower division, you need to take extra lower division course, but here we are talking about upper division. So one upper division right here. Third year, EECS is 16AB. These are required by EECS. So, okay, we recommend it. And then you have the 3 in A courses spread out in 2 years, actually 12 unit. Okay, that's okay. And then 4 limited all you can eat. Okay, all you can eat. 4 limited all you can eat right here. And then another upper division humanity course, upper division humanity course. And then you may take 3 to 4 elective. Right here, we recommend you to take more CS course or some other course if you want to go to EECS as good as EECS. That's the way we recommend it. Otherwise, you can also take it as double E. So what we would like to summarize this major is almost the same as EECS, except that 61B become elective 3 in 8, and then 70 become can be have the alternative of 55, and then added the pick 3 from 8 course for double E majors. And then 5 course limited become 4 course limited all you can eat. 5 course all you can eat become 4 course limited all you can eat. But you still have some free elective if you have free times. If you have free time, you still can pick the extra one back. Okay. And if you want to take the so-called AI and robotic track, then you finish your required calculus 1, 2. Okay. And 53, 54, CS 70, Okay, and also EE 126 and 28, these two have to pick from the free elective course. And this one 120 is 3 in 8. This is also 3 in 8 for robotic one. This one free elective. Free elective. This one can be in this one actually is I'm sorry, this one is actually is limited all you can eat. You can pick this one. This one is in limited all you can eat category. This one also limited all you can eat category. Okay, so but these are the courses if you would like to pick the Berkeley courses to become going to the ML, AI, robotic track. Okay, these are the courses that can satisfy the requirement. So overall, this is a very good new major. It actually can have you to emphasize on double E, or if you elect to stay in the EECS track, you can almost take the same courses as the EECS student, and they still give you a opportunity or a chance to go to MSCS in Stanford. If you pick the course correctly, you still have a chance to finish this major and then go to MSCS as a Stanford. Okay, thank you. That's all my talk today. Thank you. Bye now.